Hey, it's Dominic here, and in today's quick video, we're going to run through how to delete a Facebook page that you no longer want or are no longer using. So first of all, what you need to do is swap into the Facebook page from your account. So you can do this by clicking your profile image. You can see here we're already in the Facebook account, but you can do this by clicking the profile image after logging into Facebook, and then you can click see all profiles, and that will bring up a list, and then you can select the Facebook page that you want to delete. Once you're in there, what we need to do is navigate to settings. So you can click on the account button again, and then click on the settings and privacy tab. And then we're going to click on settings again. Next, we're going to come across to the left-hand side and click on privacy, and then Facebook page information. And here down the bottom, what you can see is that there's a deactivation and deletion area. We're going to click view. And this is where you can choose to temporarily deactivate your Facebook page, or you can permanently delete it. So in this instance, we're going to permanently delete the Facebook page. You then have the option of downloading your information or transferring it. And in this instance, we're happy to proceed without it. And then you can enter your password and confirm that the page is set to be deleted. It does just prompt one more time to make sure that you're okay with deleting everything. And you do actually have 30 days to reactivate the page should you wish to do so. You can click continue to proceed, and then the page is deleted.